Hey everyone, I am Lemon and in this video I'll show you how to quickly change your mouse cursor on Windows 11. If you are tired of the default Windows cursor and want something a little more unique and different, this tutorial will show you how to customize it in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Suzy Cursor. Open the official link. It's a website packed with free static and animated cursors. Browse through the collections and pick a cursor pack you like. Once you have found one, click the Download for Windows button. This will download the cursor file. When the download finishes, open the Downloads folder. Here is the cursor we just downloaded. Now let's apply the new cursor. Click the Start button and open Settings. In the search box, type Mouse Settings and open it. Then click Additional Mouse Settings. When the Mouse Properties window opens, switch to the Pointers tab. Select Normal Select and click Browse. Now navigate to the folder where the cursor files are. Choose the cursor file and click Open. Next, scroll down and select Link Select. Click Browse again and choose the hand pointer from the same cursor pack. Once you are done, click Apply, then click OK. And that's it. Your new cursor style is now active in Windows. If you are using an animated cursor pack, you will see the animation right away. And when you hover over clickable items, your custom hand pointer will appear as well. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy Windows tutorials.